Hello and welcome to Onono Nomad. Today I got a package in the post, a kayak, and it's called Sevylor Adventure Kit. It says on the outside. I'm not sure if that's the name of the kayak. It's an inflatable one, and today we're gonna do unboxing of this kayak. What I'm thinking of doing with this kayak is actually take it with me on motorbike adventures. I might be crazy, but that's my thought. So I just hope, since this is an inflatable, I hope I don't cut it with a knife. I need to open the box maybe a little bit carefully. My son is loving this. Okay, so let's see. Yes, it says here. Yeah, it's funny. They pack a pack. So let's see. So this is the kayak, which fits 2 people, so it's gonna be exciting to see if it can fit me, and I hope to fit both children in it. So here's the bag with the kayak, and it's what, about 12 kilos, 13 kilos. Okay, yeah, and we got the oars, and I guess this is for the pressure gauge. Yes, manual. Pump. Okay, so we're gonna pack this out and gonna fill it with air to see how big it's gonna get, and we're gonna use this one. That's it. We're gonna use this flex tail gear to pump it up with. It's electric, small. I've used it on my trip down Europe to pump up my mattress. And I think my son is a little bit excited. He went to go kayaking today. Okay, so that's one side, so it's 3 different valves that needs to be inflated. Okay, so that's 2 sides.
ASMR.
Okay, so it's inflated, and I had a little problem. I thought this was excellent, but I could not use it to fill it all the way up. So, but it worked fine. I filled it up as much as I could with it, and then I basically needed to use the foot pump to fill the rest. So that was kind of a bummer. I actually hoped that I could use this to fill it up, but no. Okay, so it's done. It's all finished. So the only thing that needs to be done is put on the fin. So now we're gonna take it out for a test. Okay, so we are now in the kayak. Sitt där, ska du sitta foran Cabbe. Ja. Ja, hun må sitte seg ned. Ikke sitt på fanget til Cabben, sitt ned mellom beina.
Au! Det gjør jo så au.
Sånn, ja.
Jeg har beina mine oppe.
Ja. Sånn. Altså nå må jeg holde balansen, sånn, så må dere bare sitte fint. Nice. Dette fungerer jo helt topp, altså, dette her. This is so nice. Okay. Trip number 2
with Christopher, and we had such fun today canoeing in Sevylor.